Good morning, guys. Hope you guys are having a real good day. Today is going to be a really exciting day for me. Bringing you guys along for the ride. So stay tuned. It's going to be a great day today. Stay positive, right? And yeah, man. Pretty much, man. I've been waiting for my engine to be built. Give me a second, guys. I'm backing out of my pad. I make sure that back up into any cars that are coming. So yeah, I've been waiting for my motor to be built, and today's the day. We're gonna go check it out, and I'll give you guys more details as I get there. Right? You. Alright, guys, so I just made it to the shop right now. I just pulled up and parked. Just can't wait. Let's do this, right? Yeah. By the way, I ended up going with the shop over here. That was recommended through a friend. Real good guy. He does real good work. It's HPS, Automotive Marine and Machining. I believe it's in Ontario. But yeah, it's HPS. The guy's name is Fred. Alright, so I'm about to go inside right now and take a look. I think he's with some customers though right now, so I'm not too sure if I'll be able to talk to him right away. It's kind of rude to interrupt people, you know. So I'm just gonna excuse me. We're gonna take a look, and if he's busy, then I'll pause the video. But if not, then we'll just continue on, right? Struggle's real, guys. Trying to move this shit across the grass. Not easy.